what's going on, guys? Liam here from NJ Fishing with the April 2017 mystery tackle box. Sorry for the lack of videos past week, guys. I literally just got back from Costa Rica like 10 minutes ago. Went in the mail, saw my mystery tackle box. So I'm going to do a quick video. Hope we get this up tonight. Anyway, expect some good videos from Costa Rica trip. Didn't do any fishing, but I got some cool shots of like volcanoes and stuff and underwater footage, scuba diving, you know, a lot of cool stuff. Anyway, let's open up this mystery tackle box. I will be doing a slam, just don't know when. Give you guys first view. Okay, so looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lures in this month's box. So first up, got the Ima Baits square bill. Okay, that's pretty standard. This retails for $9.99. This is just a standard square bill crankbait. It's actually pretty small. I'm gonna say if it was in like Strike King sizes, this would be like a 1.5 or a 1.0. It's got like moderately loud rattles, so it's not gonna be too intimidating to the fish. It's got circuit board lip. It's not gonna break on any rocks. Good color, even though I don't really throw a lot of reds. Definitely good for early spring. So that's first bait. Next up we have the Bango Blade by Stan Sloan's Zorro Baits. We got something else from them before. This is a spinnerbait and it retails for $7.49. Okay, that is an expensive spinnerbait. This thing's huge though. It's the toad catcher. Alright, so this has, I believe these are called tandem blades. I'm probably wrong. Don't throw spinnerbaits a lot, so correct me if I am wrong. But one thing that I'm noticing that's different from the traditional spinnerbait is this piece right here. That might add some more vibrations in the water. It's kind of like a flared gill. And good quality skirt. Nice, pretty sharp hook. The only thing I'm a little nervous about is if I do catch a big fish on this, which it's pretty big for spinnerbait. This is really light, and I think that it might bend out if I actually do hook like a 6-7 pounder on it. Who knows though? Let's see. We'll test it out. And if I didn't say it already, that retails for $7.49. Next up, we have a new product from Mystery Tackle Box. This is the Slim 6 by Venom Lures. Okay, I'm not going to take these out because these are super stinky. But this retails for $2.24. It's 5-pack, so I'm not sure if these are sample. It's basically, actually I will take it out and just smell it. Strong garlic scent. It is basically like, if you know what the what's it called? Budabaco swagger worm, I think. It's basically similar to this. It's just got a little bit of a fatter tail, and it's got like a Senko type body. So that's gonna have a great action. I like the color black, nice muted color. It's gonna be good for dirty water as well as clear water. Black's great, like all around color. Next up, we have a bait by Catchco. This is a new product and an exclusive color. Oh my gosh, these are super cool. So, this is the flicker worm, if I didn't say that already. This is an awesome color, and this is a drop shot bait. Look at that. Dyed red tail, watermelon red, flat underbelly. It's got a little bit of a band-aid, they call that. Red tail, straight part. It's got nice flake. Can't tell if it's scented. It smells a little bit like plastic, but sometimes they do like a light scent in it. I'm not sure. But this seems to be a full pack. Comes with 9 or 10. But that actually looks really cool. Drop shot, if you guys didn't know, is a great early spring technique to throw. And it catches a lot of fish. It finds them all different depths. Deep, like middle water column, as well as fishing up shallow for... Actually, that will be a good spawning bait, like for when the fish are on beds. The last item in this month's box is the Ultra Point Big Mouth Hook by Mustad. This is a 3/0, like EWG hook. This is probably for the venom lures. These are actually the types of hooks I use, except it's 1/0 bigger. I like to use 2/0 VMC hooks. Brand doesn't really matter, but these actually feel a lot better. That's the hook. That's a really good looking hook, actually. Comes with 2 for $1.91. That is extremely cool. So definitely going to be putting those to use. Comes with a, actually, I really like this sticker. And it comes with a Dibble Digest. Got a couple of tips about that in there: nighttime fishing, pond appreciation, fish slang, all types of stuff. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. It's always Liam, signing off. Got one. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Oh, big pickerel. Nice. There we go. Got him. Got him, guys. Saw him eat it. All right, let's let this little guy go. Beauty. There she goes. Knew there was going to be a fish over there. It's been rough. Is that a, what type of box is that? Lucky tackle box?
Yeah, I was going to give it to you, man.
Oh, thanks. I was actually doing a mystery tackle box slam.
Nice.
It's been rough.
I'm sure.
I broke off a 2-pounder punching the pads.
Really?
Yeah, and I was throwing a crankbait around because that usually does well. But so I put on a wacky rig and still haven't had anything.
Yeah, we work with Lucky Tackle Box, so every time I see like young people fishing and stuff, I have a bunch in my truck. So
thanks, man.
No problem, man. Anthony.
Liam.
Joe.
Jason. Let's go on.
Let's meet you. Yeah, there's a bunch of extra stuff in there. It's just like a pack.
Thanks, man.
No problem. Good luck, dude. Have a good one, man.
You too. Whoa.
You just did that?
Yeah. Wow. He works with this company.
Really? Guess if they want to sponsor you.
Nah. Pretty cool.
You're one lucky guy.
I know.
Lucky tackle box.
Yeah.
Where is this from?
The guy works with them. Mima, will you hold that for me?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna go grab my other rods. I'm gonna grab my other rods. I'll be right back. Got one, Mom. Here's a little guy.